How to use Chatgpt for YouTube scripts. To use the Chatgpt for your YouTube script, you simply have to use the YouTube script blueprint. To get highly engaging video scripts on your first try, never use a basic prompt like write a video script about productivity. Instead, feed the Chatgpt explicit guardrails using the hook body CTA framework. So you can find all this blueprint by using any web browser of your choice. You simply have to ask the YouTube script blueprint for ChatGPT and you'll find the prompt over there and copy that exact prompt and launch the ChatGPT application. Once you open it, all you have to do is now paste that exact prompt over here, fill in your details, then leverage the canvas feature for interactive edits. And you can now finally run post-draft, polish, and retain audiences. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.